welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm working on a very simple Dollar Tree wreath, and I'm using 3 signs. 2 America signs, 1 USA sign, some garland, a shooting star, floral foam. I'm cutting all the way through. I'm cutting an inch across and then cutting all the way through the floral foam. So it'll look like this, like a little brick. Then I'm going to cut it in equal parts, 3 equal parts, okay? Cardstock for the back of the sign. I'm going to cut it in half and apply it with hot glue to the back of the sign. And you're going to need some glue, some rope to attach to the back of your sign so you can hook it to a wreath hanger. So let's get started. So I wanted to share with you how it looks with 1 shooting star, and then I'm going to show you another option with 2 shooting stars. The other 2 shooting stars that you're going to see in just a moment really balance well on this wreath. I hope you enjoyed this video, that it inspired you to be creative. Thank you so much, friends, for stopping in and sharing your valuable time with me. Thank you for all your wonderful, beautiful comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share my videos. There you have it, option 2. All right, y'all, until next time, be blessed.